song. Yeah, I don't like it. The one song that I hate, and I wish to God we never would have ever put our vocals on, is If You Wanted to Be Good Girl, Get Yourself It was, yeah.
You know, check this out.
Notice we never done that in the future show. Ever.
Listen, in the future, when we do another tour, because we're gonna do another tour,
We're not putting the show in.
we're gonna do like some solo routines. So he'll do a solo song for Pump the Girl. I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna do that song. Okay? I promise.